Our precious, not the ring, but gold. In ancient Egypt, people believed the god's flesh made of gold, especially the god Ra. In another culture, gold is a status symbol and loyalty to traditions. We have always loved jewelry and creating things that represent our perception of beauty and culture. The value and demand for gold is more than ever. The reserve of gold in our world is limited. Roughly 210,000 of gold mines and less than is left, not because other reasons. But gold has excellent conductivity, corrosion resistance, malleability, reliable at extreme conditions. Thanks to all these properties, gold is used in nearly all electronic devices, microprocessors, in computers, smartphones, circuit boards, aerospace, sockets, pins, connectors, military equipment, and electron configuration of gold found as 2 electron at the first energy level, 8 at the second, 18 at the third, 32 at the fourth, 18 at the fifth, and 1 electron at the sixth energy level. Valence electron of gold found as 1, which stays at S subshell of sixth energy level.